Hi, we'll continue where we stopped. So we finished query number 5, so we'll start now with query number 6. So list the jobs that are currently available. So jobs that are currently available. So let's look at the jobs table and the job status. So if you might wonder how I know which one is which in terms of the names of the fields, you can always feel free to go and look at the table content. So for example, here that are available, basically here job status, it says open, that means it is available. So that's basically how you do it. You go and see exactly what is the content of each of those tables to know which one you need to answer the question based on. So now I know that I need only the job table, so I'll just go to create, query design, and then the job table, and I can, as I said, I can just highlight and select all of them, and then the job status I will just put open here and run this guy. So you got the idea now. I see all the jobs that are open. All right, so that's for number 6. And for number 7, list all students who receive more than one offer. So I need to list the names of the students who received more than one offer. So the offers, they are here. So student, based on the relationships here, every student might receive many offers, but every offer belongs to one and only one student in this table. So anyways, I need those two tables, and I need to count the OID in order to see which student has more than one offer. So to do that, I will go to query design and then student and offer. So now I will just select the first name, middle name, and last name, and then I need the OID. So this is the primary key, and I can count the primary key. So this will do it. So now I need to count. Since I need to count, I need the total. This will allow me here to do the count or the aggregate function, which is count. So now let's run it. So I see that some of them they have 4, some they got 1, but here the question is asking me to show only those who received more than one offer. So more than one. So I don't need those ones who have ones. So I'll go back and I will put here greater than 1. So now I have everybody that has more than one offer. All right, so now let's move on to the next one, which is list the students that are still searching for jobs. Students who are still searching for jobs. So again, you might ask, how would I know which field I need to look for? So just use your judgment by looking at the fields here and try to expect which field would answer this question for us. So students who are still searching. So most likely the student status. If you are not sure, you can always go and click on the student table and see for yourself. Student status. Alright, so the student status is searching. So those who are searching, then we can just retrieve that guy. So we'll just go to the student, and okay, I'll just put their first name, last name for brevity or to be brief, and then student status, and then I can just put here searching. Right. So let's run this guy. So yeah, I got that, the list. Now for the last question is asking me to list the jobs that require leadership and communication skills. Jobs that require communication and leadership skills. So these are the jobs, job skills, and the name of the skill. So I need the name of the skill, and I need also, let's say, the content for jobs, all the fields for jobs from here. That will do it as well. So now basically I need the job and the skill, so I need to include the job skill that will connect me for those two tables. So I'll just go to create, and then job job skills, and the skill. Alright, so now, as I said, I can just select all those guys, and then I can select the skill name. Alright, so let me just go all the way here, and then skill name, I can put it here. Now the skill name, they said communication and leadership, so I can just say in quotation mark or single quotation. So I can say and, not and in this case, because the skill name has either communication or leadership or. So in this case I can use the or. So you can use it this way. Now you will see that in the last field we have leadership and communication skill name. So that's one way to do it. Or you can so in this case you put communication in this area on the top in this row where it says criteria, and in the or you can put leadership, and this will still give us the same output. So that was all that I wanted to show you, how to use Query by Design. And as I said, it is optional. If you want, let's say when you are submitting your homework, you can copy this SQL as well from here if you decided to go by Query by Design and put it in the Word document. So I want you to know both ways, but the SQL is a skill that is important, but if you want to use this way is also okay with me. So as long as you know how to answer the queries based on a database. So good luck to you all, and I will see you in other videos.